What is knee replacement surgery? Knee replacement operation resurfaces the knee joint by removing damaged bone and cartilage in the knee joint. These surfaces are replaced with metal and plastic implants, allowing knee motion and function, relieving pain, and correcting any deformity. Knee replacement surgery has a high rate of success in relieving pain and restoring mobility. Today, 95 out of every 100 knee replacements are successful, and even at 10 to 15 years after the operation, will still be giving good service. Some knee replacements have lasted 25 plus years. Is total knee replacement right for you? Knee replacement is indicated for severe chronic pain in the knee that limits everyday activities such as walking, going up and down stairs, getting out of a chair, as well as pain at rest, especially at night. The anesthetic, knee replacement can be done under a general or a spinal anesthetic that numbs the lower body and legs. Ask the anesthetist for sedation if you do not wish to stay awake during the procedure. The operation? Most patients are admitted the day of surgery. Your surgeon will make an incision down the front of your knee. The blood vessels, muscles, and nerves will be protected during surgery, and special tools will be used to reshape the surface of the bone. In most cases, bone cement is used to fix the new joint in place. The implants. We use one of the most clinical successful implants with one of the best long-term results. Rehabilitation. An exercise program is an important part of recovery. This starts with gentle exercises in your hospital bed. Patients are normally encouraged to get out of bed with the help of physiotherapy as soon as possible, usually on the day of surgery. Further physiotherapy and exercises at home may be prescribed. In the early stages, you will need crutches or a walking frame. Recovery. During the first few weeks, stretching and strengthening the muscles remain goals of treatment. As strength and motion improves, you may be encouraged on other activities, such as distance walking, cycling, and swimming. Your external stitches or clips are usually removed at the follow-up clinic 14 days. You may need to take 6, 12 weeks off work depending on your job. Are you experiencing knee pain? Our expert knee replacement surgeon can assess your condition and discuss your treatment options. Please contact us to schedule an appointment.